So just testing here in a simple GPU with 4 gigabytes of VRAM, the new Llama. That's a really short video testing Llama3 8B, not 7B actually. So here I just installed Ollama less than an hour ago. It's available there since then. So let's see, like, how much is 3 times 27? Is 1, okay, dremel, 81 assistant, funny one, right? So that's correct, all right. That's first thing I noticed, pretty fast model, pretty fast, and doesn't stop talking if you only do Control C, and that's it. Like, what else? Question: who is the president of president of Poland? Who's the president of Poland? And president of Poland is Andrzej Duda. Has been serving president since August 2015. All right. Okay. More question. Let's see. Any other question? Tell me a typical dish in Vietnam. Okay, sorry for the typo, guys. One of the most popular and iconic dishes in Vietnam is pronounced as pho. It's delicious and comfort noodle. Okay. Anyway, this model is better than Mistral, better than Llama2 70B in most of cases. It was just released less than an hour ago, today in the Meta website, and also Ollama website less than an hour ago, and Hugging Face already have them. That certainly is going to be the model in the top, in the first place for a long time. Well, I could say like a month is a long time, so it's already much better than any other model. All right, so that's it.